President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. distributed 10 kilos of rice each to residents in Dumaguete City. More than 2,200 residents received the free rice under the Bagong Pilipinas Rice Program funded through the Local Government Support Fund.
Ibinibigay po natin sa mga household na alam natin na nangangailangan ng tulong. At alam niyo po, noong ako'y unang umupo, in-interview po ako at tinanong sa akin kung ano ba ang talagang gusto mong mangyari, ano bang hangarin mo, ano bang pangarap mo para sa Pilipinas. At inisip ko na mabuti at napakasimple lang. Sana naman mangyari na, dumating na ang araw na wala nang gutom na Pilipino.
The administration targets to provide free rice to nearly 390,000 beneficiaries across Negros Oriental.
Kailangan buong sa 10 kilo ang makukuha ng bawat beneficiary. Hindi bawas, hindi kulang, kundi buong 10 kilo. Kung makakakuha ng hindi buong 10 kilong bigas, agad na i-report ang insidente sa Office of the President o dito mismo sa PCO.
Malacanang also urged the public to report any incidents of abuse involving the Presidential Scholarship Program. Under the program, 5 students from each barangay will receive a 20,000 peso scholarship grant.
Ang criteria po ay dapat ay graduating college student at may risk na ma-drop out dahil sa kulang sa kanilang pantustos sa pag-aaral. Huwag matakot na ireklamo po ito sa Liga ng mga Barangay National Office at sa DILG. At maaari din pong itong iparating dito sa PCO at sa Office of the President. Dahil ang gusto po ng Pangulo ay mabigyan talaga ang nararapat at deserving students.
A total of 2,785 scholars from 557 barangays in Negros Oriental are expected to benefit from the scholarship program. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. also visited the Philippine Army's 302nd Infantry Brigade in Tanay, Negros Oriental. The chief executive commended the troops for their role in maintaining peace and security. He also recognized their efforts in internal security operations, coordination with local governments, and disaster response. President Marcos assured the Armed Forces of the Philippines of the government's continued support to strengthen peace and security in Central Visayas. Kalay Zalpardilia for the Nation.